If you think about solving for x, you might get overwhelmed with which inverse operation do you apply first. You have a minus a 3, you have multiplied by negative 8x, you have a log base 4, and you have a multiplying by 1/2. Which one will you do? Well, if you forget about the logarithm and just look at it like this, 1/2 times x plus 3 is equal to 4. What would you do first? Hopefully you remember you subtract a 3 and then you multiply by 2, right? So just think of this argument, log base 4 of negative 8x, as exactly that. We need to go ahead and isolate that first before we can get rid of the logarithm. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract a 3 on both sides. Now we're going to get rid of the 2. I can't get rid of this negative 8x because it's inside of the logarithm. But I can't undo the logarithm till I get rid of everything that's being applied to it. That's why we got rid of the negative 3 first. Now we're going to get rid of the 1/2 by multiplying everything by 2. Okay, so how do you get rid of a logarithm when it's raised to the base 4? You exponentiate to the same base, which in this case would be a positive 4. Now I can get rid of the logarithm, and I'm just going to be left with the argument. And a lot of students will get confused here because they say, well, I understand to divide by negative 8, but now I'm going to get a negative answer. And Mr. McLogan, my teacher, said you can't take the logarithm of a negative answer. And your teacher is correct. However, when you plug in negative 2 back into the logarithm, you see negative 8 times a negative 2 actually gives you a positive 16. So guess what? It checks out.